Welcome to the Screen Innovations Galactic Headquarters. I thought that was an appropriate opening for this video. What do you think?
I love it, yeah, literally.
This is the fourth factory we moved in together. I mean, 10,000 square feet an average a year is what we're having to grow. Tell us what's going on in the new expansion wing of the Galactic Headquarters, Ryan.
Yeah, guys, since the garage to our first building with bullet holes and a very exciting street to drive down.
Not kidding about the bullet holes.
No. All the way to our second building that was about 7,000 square feet, and all the way into here where we'll expand out well over 100,000 square feet when we're done. And to bring a brand new product line to an industry that desperately needs it and change the world. I mean, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity in my eyes. I feel like I'm here for such a short time to get to work with you guys and share this experience. And to say that this is anything less than an amazing gift, I'm just truly blown away. So thank you guys for your support so much.
In the last few years, Ryan and Shannon have let me expand our machines, expand the building. You guys can see I'm getting a much bigger playground. We're adding another cut table, which is going to help us double capacity. That also means that I get to build more racks, more tables. Everything you see behind me, I've been begging for this, and I'm excited to bring it to SI, to the team, and to the dealer.
Well, we are about to expand the engineering just like Jason is expanding the production floor. We are to be simply innovative. It takes a lot of hard work, and trying to keep up with Ryan and Blake is a full-time duty there. So,
well, guys, we're building this headquarters for you, our dealers. This is 100% because of what you're doing for us, and we can't be happier working for you. Remember, Screen Innovations here in Austin, Texas. Hey, man, come on by. We'd love to take you on a tour, and we'll even waive the 50-cent fee. Because one more thing to remember, it's going to keep growing and growing and growing.
Amen.
That's right, baby. Screen Innovations,
Thank you
your
for
screen
support,
company.
guys.